How to fix Microsoft Store error 0x80073d0a on a Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. Welcome everybody. I'm now going to show you how you can fix the Microsoft Store error 0x80073d0a on your Windows computer. We'll start off by clicking the search bar and searching for troubleshoot. Best match will come up with troubleshoot settings. Left click that. In here, you want to go to other troubleshooters. Wait till those load. Scroll down until you see Windows Store apps at the bottom here. Click run. It's now detecting problems. Skip this step. And now you would go through with all the suggestions this program gives you. As you can see, detecting problems, initializing the diagnostic, and you will then have to go through and fix the issues. As you can see, user account control has been disabled, so you would have to enable this. Now the second option would be to click the search icon again and search for WS reset in order to reset your Microsoft Store. Left click this command prompt. This will open up this window. This might take a couple of seconds. Wait till this runs through, and after that it will automatically open your Windows Store and the Microsoft Store 0x80073d0a should be resolved. As you can see, I hope this video could help you out. If it did, please leave a like. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.